everybody!
Hey everybody!
Today we are making gluten-free, sugar-free, giant carrot muffins. And Patrick is going to make them. So what we're going to start off with is 3 eggs. So you just put those in the blender, sweetheart.
Okay.
Perfect. Good job. And a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. You can use any kind of milk that you want. We just like coconut milk. And then you're gonna take this knife and kind of scoop out this coconut oil into the blender. Great. Excellent. Okay, and then with this fork, you're gonna kind of gently put all those carrots in there. So this is 2 cups of carrots, 3 eggs, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Thank you. 1/4 cup of coconut milk and a teaspoon of vanilla. So you're just gonna shake this vanilla into the spoon, and it doesn't matter if one of those, doesn't matter if it overflows. Just kind of shake it a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Okay. So that's all the wet ingredients, and we're just gonna blend that. So I'm gonna put the top on lightly and just flip that switch, babe. Good. And we're gonna turn it up, honey, just a little. About like that. Yeah, that's fine. Just let it kind of do its thing. There we go. And then we'll blend it a little faster. And we're done. Okay.
And we're done.
Yeah, so that's great. And we're just going to pour it into this bowl.
Okay.
And you can use, when you're ready, you can, so it's a nice thick, creamy mixture. And get as much out as you can if you need. It's okay, it's okay, I'll help you. It's all right. So that's perfect. And the next thing we're gonna do is add the dry ingredients. So this is a 1/4 cup of coconut flour. So that goes in first, all of it, very nice. And these are the spices and the salt and soda. And I've got all the ingredients below. The entire recipe is there for you to follow. And this is about 2/3 a cup of chopped walnuts. You can use any kind of nuts you want. And about a 1/4 cup of currants. You can use raisins, or you can use dates, anything you like, or just skip any of those ingredients. And then you're very carefully going to kind of blend it all together. Wonderful. So this is a really thick muffin dough. It isn't as runny as a lot of muffin doughs are, so don't be alarmed if it just seems really like it will be dry and not very good.
Seems like it's gonna be dry.
It won't be. It will be delicious, I promise. Great job. So just keep mixing until it's all, it's really important that even though it isn't a runny muffin mix, it's important that you blend it all evenly. So all the batter is full of all the ingredients. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks even to me.
Okay, so now you're gonna scoop it into your muffin pans, and they're custard cups, and I've sprayed them with coconut oil or any kind of baking spray that you want. Yeah, so just kind of try to make it about the same amount in each one, all 4. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just fill them up. And you can kind of pat them down and then put the rest on top. Doing awesome.
I know.
I'm very impressed, honey. You're such a good cook. There you go, very nice. And I've preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and we're gonna bake these for about 25 minutes or so, till they test done with a knife. Wonderful. So just kind of pat the tops down just gently, and there you go. We are ready to put them in the oven, so let's go.
To the oven.
Here's Sweetie Pie. Okay.
So am I picking up the muffin? Or
I'm taking the muffins. We had a little muffin mishap. Okay.
Muffin malfunction.
We have 3 muffins now. Okay.
One muffin died on the way.
Yeah, that's man down. Okay. So anyway, these are the delicious carrot muffins, and we're gonna let Patrick try one. There you go, sweetie. How'd you do?
I did awesome.
Mwah.
Very good. Moist.
Yes, they're
Not
the most
dry at all.
not dry.
No.
They're most wonderful, gluten-free, sugar-free, spicy carrot muffins you could ever ask for. Hope you try it. Hope you love it. We love you, and thanks for watching.
Happy holidays.